Welcome to your one-stop guide for optimizing your social media impact. In this ever-evolving digital landscape, crafting captivating content has never been more crucial. That's why we're here to introduce you to a groundbreaking tool designed to optimize your social media content and enhance productivity. Say hello to LikeIT Social, the tool that promises to streamline your tasks and save you invaluable time and energy. Let us navigate you through the entire process, highlighting the crucial features of LikeIT Social that will empower you to tap into the full potential of your social media strategy. Prepare yourself to uplift your digital footprint and achieve stellar results. So without further ado, let's immerse ourselves in the realm of social media content optimization. LikeIT Social offers comprehensive solutions for every stage of your social media workflow. We understand that learning to navigate intricate marketing platforms can be time-consuming and daunting. And the last thing we want is for our potential clients to spend countless hours trudging through extensive courses or tutorials just to grasp our straightforward operation. Problem number 1. Most agencies and influencers need to approve every social media post before it goes to live. And this creates a pressing issue of needing to have an organized workflow for each social media post prior to publication. This process is crucial to maintain brand integrity and to ensure the content meets the organization's quality expectations. And this is where the power of LikeIT Social becomes evident. Imagine a workplace where every team member clearly understands their role and responsibilities for any given moment, contributing seamlessly to the complete social media workflow. This is what LikeIT Social brings to your table. This platform enables you to distinctly define the duties of your team members. With a clear delineation of tasks, everyone on the team knows exactly what their role entails, the tasks they are accountable for, and how they fit into the bigger picture. It's like having a well-orchestrated symphony where each musician knows their part and the whole ensemble works in harmony. This clarity fosters an environment of efficiency and accountability, significantly saving time and effort. With LikeIT Social, you can empower your team with clear roles and responsibilities and watch as your social media operations thrive with increased productivity and cohesiveness. Experience the difference when everyone is on the same page, working in towards common goals. Problem number 2. Most agencies know that the task of generating original ideas, creating appealing visuals, and ensuring brand consistency across social media platforms is both resource-intensive and time-consuming. And this is where LikeIT Social offers a panoramic view of all your past posts, allowing you to instantly access your content history. This invaluable feature gives you a comprehensive understanding of what's already been created and shared. Having this visibility is like having a treasure map, guiding you to areas where new content is needed. This strategic overview allows you to spot patterns, identify successful themes, and importantly, pinpoint where there are content gaps that need to be filled. It's like having a content compass guiding you towards fresh, relevant ideas, ensuring your social media strategy remains vibrant and engaging. Problem number 3. Agencies often need different tools to get different formats from one picture or video in social media. No longer will you need to juggle between multiple tools or dive back into Photoshop to tweak the format specifically for Instagram. That's the ease and flexibility LikeIT Tool provides. With our advanced, precision-based cropping editor integrated into our system, you have the power to refine and adjust your images right here, all in one place. You can tailor each image to the unique requirements of every social media platform, ensuring your content is perfectly suited for its intended audience. What's more, this streamlined process saves you considerable time and energy, eliminating the hassle of constantly switching between different tools. With our comprehensive solution, you can maintain a consistent and professional visual presence across all social media platforms. Experience the convenience of our one-stop image formatting solution all at your fingertips only with our tool.